Very good evening to you, Rajni, and
Good evening.
welcome
Good
to the
evening.
session.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
good.
thanks a lot. Thanks for connecting with me.
Yes, okay. So tell
How
me,
are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So tell me something about yourself and what you do, etc.
Yeah, as you can see on my screen, my name is Rajni and I
Mhm.
live in Ludhiana city in Punjab.
Hmm.
And if I talk about my education, I have done bachelor's and master's in computer applications.
Mm-hmm.
And right now I have a YouTube channel and I do content writing. I write on
Oh.
medium.com and as well as
Where do you write?
medium.com.
Medium.
Yeah, as
Hmm.
well as I have these days I'm quite busy in writing some other content like ebooks, some journal books, workbooks, etc.
Okay, very nice, wonderful. Mm-hmm. So, your YouTube channel is about what?
It's all about English.
Oh, okay. So what do you do? You teach, or how do you, what is your channel about?
It is all about knowledge sharing. Whatever I learn in my English learning journey, I just share that, and I put conversation videos on my channel as
Okay.
well as sometimes some new vocabulary words, some
Mm-hmm.
phrasal verbs. So all that I upload.
Okay. So you have many subscribers?
Yes, yes, I have around 2000.
Oh, that's cool. Very nice. So it's not like classes or anything that you teach.
No, I haven't started any classes yet,
Hmm. Hmm.
but maybe I will plan about it in future.
Okay,
Right
fine,
now, I
fine.
am right now I'm very busy in my other assignments. I'm not getting any time.
Okay, lovely, nice. Your very constructive, productive way of spending your time. That's amazing. So tell me about your family. Who all are there in your family?
I have twins.
Oh, how wonderful. Okay, and then?
Yeah, they are 7 years old, and besides that, I live in a nuclear family. Me, my
Mm-hmm.
husband, and my daughters. That's all.
They
That's
must
all.
be a handful. Tell me your experience about having twins because I'm sure we have dealt with one child at a time. You're dealing with two simultaneously. So, how is the experience?
My experience is good, but it is very difficult to raise
Mm.
two kids at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And they are very naughty. They fight with each other a lot.
Mm.
My all day goes in resolving their fights.
Mm.
And they don't want to see each other's face.
Oh, really?
So even yesterday they both were saying that we don't want to study in the same school.
Oh.
Just one of them was asking me to change her school.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
So,
I'm quite busy in resolving their issues.
yes, and whatever you do for has to be done two times. Means if you do for one, then it has to be done for the other.
Yes,
That
yes,
can be
yes.
quite challenging also at times. My goodness. What does your husband do?
My husband has a chemical business, like the chemicals that is used in hospital laboratories,
Okay.
all the dengue test, malaria test,
Okay.
that kind
Okay.
of, and other equipments also, that
Mm-hmm.
whatever machinery is used in hospital laboratories.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Mm-hmm.
sell those things.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. You said chemicals, you use plural. So the verb should be are. Whatever chemicals is, no, whatever chemicals are used in a hospital. So because chemicals is plural. All right. Okay, fine. What else do you do in your free time? What are your interests? Like maybe music, TV. I don't know what your interests are.
Although I am not getting any time, but
Uh-huh.
whenever I have time, usually I get some free time in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
So I go for a walk.
Okay,
And
very
besides
nice.
that, I like to read.
Mm-hmm.
I
What kind
like
of
to
books?
read
What do you
self-help
read?
books,
Okay.
also.
Mm.
And right now I have started reading a mystery novel that is, its name is The Girl Who Disappeared.
Oh, okay.
So,
Very nice.
whatever I get my hands on, I
Mm-hmm.
read. I
Very
like to read.
nice. Very nice. Good. So, tell me, how does this thing on YouTube work? When did you start it? And, why did you think of doing this? And how your journey has been? How does a channel on YouTube work? Tell me your experience.
Okay. Yeah, I started my channel. I think it's been more than 1 year,
Okay.
1 year and maybe 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
And it's good. YouTube is nowadays very saturated place,
Mm.
and especially in this particular niche.
Yes. Yes.
Like so many people are uploading English content. There are many
Mm.
people who are learning English as well as they are uploading conversational videos.
Mm-hmm.
So in this era,
Mm.
getting monetization on YouTube and growing on in this niche is very difficult.
Mm.
It's hard nut to crack, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
But because I am very passionate about it, I am very passionate about improving my English more, and I want to achieve an advanced level in English.
Mm-hmm.
So I am doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is good, but sometimes it is very frustrating too. We can
Mm-hmm.
say
Why?
sometimes we put our heart and soul
Mm.
into making
Mhm.
one video, but
Heart and
soul,
soul.
soul.
Soul. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
but it doesn't get any views.
Oh.
Sometimes it takes the entire day to post one solo video,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
we are very hopeful about it, but
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't get any views. In that, like it gets views, but like sometimes less than 200 and sometimes less than 100. So in
Mm.
that case, it is really frustrating.
Mm-hmm. I mean, how many do you want generally? I have got no idea about this.
I have seen many people gets thousand, like
Oh.
5,000, 10,000, and
Oh.
even some gets 30,000, 50,000.
Oh.
So if someone has got 30,000 views or 50,000 views or
Mm.
maybe more than that,
Mm-hmm.
so it will not take them too long to monetize the channel.
Okay. So
So
around
if
what is the breaking point where you can monetize? I've got what happens?
it's around it's 4,000 watch hours.
4,000 watch hours means people
Yes.
have to watch for 4,000 hours. Oh my
4,000
God. And
hours
then
in in just
how much do
in
you
just
get?
one in just 1 year.
Oh, in 1 year. Okay.
Yeah,
And how much does it pay?
my channel is not yet monetized. I don't know about it.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
that is what I am saying now. In If
Hmm.
we are getting 100 views, then it will
Hmm.
not get monetized very soon. If a
Mm-hmm.
person gets thousands of views, then it will take two three in just 2 3 videos it will get the monetization.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So just I don't. Of course, you'll agree with me. I'm sure that means to get so many hours of viewing and all of that, the content has to be really so amazing and so good that people will that there will be more views. Or how does one go about getting more views? How do you get more views? Do you have to advertise on some level or just?
I have done a lot of things. I do SEO properly. I put all the keywords. I put a proper
Hmm.
description, title, whatever generally is required to get more
Mm-hmm.
views. I do that.
Mm-hmm.
The thing that I never did is paid promotion.
Oh,
So
okay.
maybe some people do that.
Oh, paid promotions. All right.
Yeah.
Or maybe you have to just make your content. something, very different from everyone else.
Hmm.
Maybe because I've seen there are too many English, learn English, this, that, on
Hmm.
YouTube. So it's
Yeah.
very competitive.
And some of them are not even themselves, they are not good at it.
Yes, yes, yes. I
They are
was
not at,
wondering, some people,
they are,
their English is not good at all, and yet
hmm,
they are trying to promote.
they are just making conversation videos and upload them on
Mm-hmm.
YouTube,
Mm.
and still they are getting views. I
Mm.
have lately, I have seen a trend.
Mm.
There is a tutor. His name is Mr. Nand Kumar, something like that.
From where? From Clapingo?
He is from English Yari.
Okay, English Yari.
Yes, yes. So whoever makes video with him, whoever
Hmm.
books a session with Mr. Nand Kumar,
Hmm.
the video gets viral.
Oh,
People are so People are fond of watching his videos.
okay. What is so different in his videos?
He is a very good tutor. He is a very
Oh.
good tutor. Actually, he is a very good tutor.
Mhm.
The people who are learning English, they want to, if they see uh, his video in their watch list, they will definitely open it.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. Good, good, good.
Yeah, so
Ah,
many people are doing it. I have seen.
ah,
I didn't do it. I don't want to do it because if I make, I cannot depend on one person to monetize my channel.
mm-hmm,
Like if I make one video with him and
mm,
my channel gets the monetization, what after that?
mm.
I
Oh,
cannot rely on him. So I
okay.
don't want to do it, but so many people
So,
have done it.
but for that you have to go to English Yari, or how is it?
Yes, for like we have to take the subscription from English Share,
Ah,
then
okay, okay, fine, fine.
yes.
And
I had
uh,
earlier I had
mm,
taken the subscription from English
mm,
Jari 2 months ago, but
okay.
I didn't book any session with him.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And this particular session, tell me about it. You have taken a subscription with Clapingo.
Yes,
And
yes.
I saw it's being recorded. So are you recording it, or is Zoom, is
No,
Clapingo?
no. So they only record it and
Yeah,
they will provide the video.
they'll give you the video. Because in my regular Clapingo sessions, there are no videos, I means recordings. They've stopped that recording thing.
Okay.
So I was wondering, so this particular session, what is going to be done with it? Is it going to be, it's just for your own personal benefit, right? Or is there something else?
Yeah, there is something else too. Clapingo has given me the subscription. It is a collaboration. It is a kind of
Ah,
collaboration
okay.
that they will give me the video and I will upload on my channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Oh, all right, all right. Anyway, coming back to, so you take a walk. What else? Anything interest in music or TV or anything of the sort? Travel, maybe? Do you get time to travel?
Yeah, I like traveling, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting any time. I'm quite busy and I want to travel a few places. I want to visit a few places, but because my kids are small, so I'm not.
Mm.
It's very difficult to carry so many things.
Oh, yes, yes.
So
And
many
two,
things we
not
need to.
one, two.
We need we need to take so many things with if we want to go somewhere.
Yes, of course.
And yeah, and initially they were very weak.
Okay,
They were not able to travel that much.
okay,
They were very weak. So I tried to stay at home, but
okay.
now I will make some plans.
Mm-hmm. Okay, when you're talking about human beings, that is your children, my children are young. Small is for big and small is for objects.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Young and old is for human beings. Okay,
Hmm.
fine, fine. So before that, have you traveled anywhere? Like you said, you have an interest in traveling. So What kind? Are you a mountain person, beach person? What kind of traveling do you do?
I like mountains.
Ah, okay. And in Punjab, near about, there are so many. Himachal is close by.
Himachal
Mm-hmm.
and Uttarakhand.
Okay. But
Uttarakhand.
now I was just talking with another lady. It's become so crowded, and people,
Hmm.
especially people from Haryana, Chandigarh, they are taking their cars and going. I saw traffic jams on mountain roads in Shimla. I was so shocked because last I had been when I was in 10th standard with my parents. It was so serene and nice and calm, and I went in 2023 and I was shocked. So
Hmm.
that's how, people are behaving nowadays, and quite carelessly also throwing. They don't have any, feeling, or any affection for any place, be it mountains or any place. They are destroying, throwing things
Hmm.
around, garbage. Very sad.
Hmm.
So you like to go to the mountains. Where is your like they say, your mom's place, your Micah? Where is it?
It's in Ludhiana only.
Okay.
And from here, if I go there, then it will take only half an hour.
Oh,
And
how
I usually
wonderful. So lucky. Mm-hmm.
I usually go on my bike
Mm-hmm.
and come back in the evening.
Very nice. And Ludhiana has a very nice woolen industry, and the woolen
Yes.
industry is very good, right?
Yes, it is
The
very famous for hosiery products
hosiery. Yes, yes. I
and
was coming to
also,
that.
yeah, bicycle parts, auto parts. It is very famous
Okay,
for that.
okay, okay, fine, fine. And how about the food over there?
It's amazing.
Amazing.
You know,
Ah.
have you ever visited this place?
No,
Have you ever?
I've been to Chandigarh twice.
Okay. Where are you basically from?
My hometown is West Bengal, Kolkata, but I don't stay there. I've left many, many years back, 80s. So I was in Faridabad, then I was in Delhi, then I was in Mumbai for last 28 years, and 1.5 years I have shifted to Goa. So right now I'm in Goa.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I know about the food
Hmm.
in the north.
You know, I have visited Himachal Pradesh
Mm,
many times,
mm,
and I usually go there for 2 or 3 days.
uh-huh.
So whenever I go to Himachal Pradesh, I always miss the food in Punjab because I
Yes.
don't get the taste that I get in
Mm,
Punjab anywhere else.
mm-hmm. Because for us personally, we like North Indian food. You
Hmm.
know, kulche, chole,
And
and oh
spicy.
goodness, spicy. Sorry, I went to Chandigarh and I had a blast. And I had rabri, jalebi, and what not. Beautiful.
Hmm.
Food is too good. I want to go
Yes.
to Amritsar, Golden Temple, Wagah border, and it seems the food is amazing over there. I want to
Hmm.
do that
Yeah,
once. I
yeah.
haven't yet been. I have a class, another one at 5:30. So our time is also up. So nice meeting you, Rajni.
But
Nice talking to
yeah,
you. Mm-hmm.
it was really nice talking to you, but it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't look like we have talked for half an hour or
Yes,
25
27.
minutes,
Yes.
and the time flies.
Flies when you're talking. Yes, of course. But
Yes, I,
we will meet sometime again when you get another session. So, okay, we'll catch up then.
yeah, sure.
Till then, have fun. Keep the English journey on. Okay, bye
Thanks a lot.
bye.
Yeah, I
Have a
will.
nice
Yeah.
evening ahead. Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye
Bye.
bye. Thanks a lot.